you ready to grow your glutes and achieve the perfectly sculpted butt you've always dreamed of? If you're tired of exercises that don't deliver results, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll reveal the 5 most effective exercises to help you grow your glutes fast. These moves are specifically designed to target and activate your glute muscles, giving you the lift, strength, and shape you desire. Before we dive in, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more transformative workout tips and motivation. Number 1, Bulgarian split squat. Don't underestimate the Bulgarian split squat. This single leg exercise is incredible for isolating the glutes while also improving balance and stability. The deeper the lunge, the more your glutes have to work, especially when you push back up through your front heel. Bulgarian split squats target the glutes by forcing them to stabilize your body and power the movement, particularly when you focus on driving through your heel. This movement helps correct muscle imbalances and ensures each glute gets an equal workout, ensuring both sides grow evenly. Stand a few feet in front of a bench and place one foot behind you on the bench. Keep your torso upright as you lower your body into a lunge, ensuring that your front knee stays aligned with your toes. Lower your body until your back knee nearly touches the ground. Then push through your front heel to return to the starting position. Switch legs and repeat the movement on the other side. Number 2, hip thrust. Let's move on to the hip thrust, an absolute must for anyone serious about growing their glutes. This exercise isolates the glutes like no other, giving you the power to lift heavier weights and directly target your glute muscles. The hip thrust maximizes glute engagement by putting you in a position where your glutes have to do all the work to lift the weight. This direct stimulation is crucial for muscle hypertrophy, meaning your glutes will grow bigger and stronger with consistent practice. How to perform. Sit on the ground with your upper back resting against a bench and a barbell across your hips. Keep your feet flat on the ground, close to your hips and your knees bent. Drive through your heels to lift your hips toward the ceiling, forming a straight line from your shoulders to your knees. Squeeze your glutes at the top of the movement before lowering your hips back to the starting position. Number 3, barbell squats. Next, we have the barbell squat, the undisputed king of lower body exercises. To really grow your glutes, you need to squat deep. When you lower your body to at least parallel, your glutes are forced to work harder, especially when you drive through your heels to stand back up. Barbell squats engage multiple muscle groups, but by going deep and focusing on driving up with your glutes, you'll see serious growth. The compound nature of squats also releases growth hormones that aid muscle development throughout your body, especially in your glutes. How to perform. Position a barbell across your upper back and stand with your feet shoulder width apart. Keep your chest up and your core engaged as you lower your body by bending your knees and pushing your hips back. Aim to squat down until your thighs are at least parallel to the ground, or go deeper for more glute activation. Drive through your heels to return to the standing position, making sure to squeeze your glutes at the top. Number 4, Romanian Deadlift. Starting off strong with the Romanian Deadlift. This exercise is a game changer when it comes to building your glutes. By focusing on the eccentric or lowering phase of the movement, you're really stretching and lengthening the muscle fibers in your glutes. This stretch under tension is key for muscle growth, leading to rounder, stronger glutes. Romanian deadlifts target the entire posterior chain, especially the glutes and hamstrings. The key to growing your glutes with this exercise lies in the hip hinge, pushing your hips back as far as possible while maintaining control. This motion directly works the glutes, stimulating muscle growth and strength. How to perform. Keep a slight bend in your knees and maintain a straight back as you hinge at the hips, lowering the barbell toward the ground. Push your hips back as far as possible while keeping the barbell close to your legs. Lower the barbell until you feel a strong stretch in your hamstrings, then drive your hips forward to return to the starting position, squeezing your glutes at the top. Number 5, step-ups. Last but not least, step-ups. This functional exercise not only builds strength in your glutes, but also improves endurance and balance. When done with proper form, step-ups are a fantastic way to finish off your glute workout. Step-ups target the glutes by forcing them to lift your body weight onto a higher surface, mimicking the natural movement of climbing. This upward motion is all about glute engagement, especially when you concentrate on driving through your heel and squeezing your glutes at the top of each rep. Stand in front of a bench or sturdy platform. Place one foot on the bench and drive through your heel to lift your body onto the bench. Focus on squeezing your glutes as you step up, then slowly lower yourself back down with control. Repeat on the other leg. By sticking to these 5 powerhouse exercises, you're not just shaping your butt, you're building strength, confidence, and a body you'll love. Remember, consistency is key, so keep challenging yourself, and those glutes will thank you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button, drop a comment below with your progress, and subscribe to the channel for more transformative workouts. Let's keep pushing those limits together. Check out our other videos on the screen now.